all, welcome back to my channel. Hope all are safe. I believe you all are well and pray for that all are safe. Now it's almost 4 o'clock pm. Actually, in this trip, we went to Jabal Jais in Ras Al Khaimah about 2 months back. After taking our lunch, we slept for a while and leave from the house around 4 pm. In this trip, including me and my family, as well as my dad's friend and family, also there. You can see there is a huge mountain. When we saw a nice and good place, we stopped there, did some good photo shoot and continued our journey again. After a long time, we are coming out, so we all are so happy. So we enjoyed this trip so much. The height of the mountain is increasing as you go there. Jabal Jais is a mountain of northwestern Hajar range in the Mosandam government of Oman and also in Ras Al Khaimah, UAE. We can stay there full night with our family and friends. But before going there, we have to plan. One important thing that we note that if we are going to travel one of these high places like this, we must have another family with us. Maybe we have in trouble. Jabal Jais is the world's fastest, longest zip line in UAE. Another thing is that we can do barbecues and bonfire, but we should maintain the cleanliness or you won't do cluttering, otherwise we will pay fine. The view from the top is very amazing. Almost as soon as we arrived at our destination, we come home and decided to grill the meat masala broth. You can see we were almost there now. This is my papa and my sister. As you can see, the view here are so beautiful. You can see the road below. We were standing almost at the top of the hill. You can see it's almost night now, and my papa and his friends started grilling. One important thing is that be careful, don't stand here, you will fall down easily, especially kids. When they came home, they brought a small tent and fixed it here. Then we played a lot. It was so fun and we enjoyed a lot. These are my friends. After a long time we are seeing them. I am so happy. Our grilling is almost ready. They also put some tea for us. First they grill for the kids to eat, and then the kids ate. And they started to grill to the adults. The weather that day was good, not too cold and not too hot. You can see they do this in order to keep the fire burning well. I haven't taken any video of us all eating because I don't know everyone like that. We were grilling vegetables as well as meat, which includes onion, capsicum and garlic also. You can see he is digging and his brother is blaming him. After having our dinner, we clean up our area very neatly. It is compulsory or we will get fine. I already told you. That's only our leftover meals. You can see there is a bike race going on. It's so beautiful. Now it's too late. Now it's almost 12 o'clock. Actually, we were so tired that time. Now it's almost time for us to leave from there. My papa went to bring some water. We all were so tasty. Hope you all like my video. If you like it, give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Until then, take care. Bye-bye. Thank you.